everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to create another Christmas card, and this is a very easy and very quick kind of a Christmas card. So I highly recommend watching this video till the end because you're going to discover a very easy and quick way to paint a Christmas tree which will look that you have put a lot of effort in doing it. So please keep on watching. And for today I'm going to use this 300 GSM watercolor paper as the base, and this is 100% cotton, 300 GSM. And also I will be needing a pencil and a scale, and for the colors I'm using my Temu watercolors that I got. Other than that, we will be of course requiring water, and I will be using this brush for this video. It's a number 10 round brush, and yeah, that's all that we need. So first thing is that we are going to mark a long triangle for the tree shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a center line like that, and I'm going to make two slanting lines on the sides. So we have a basic triangular shape, as you can see. So I have marked the center line and the two side lines and the bottom line to get a um, idea about the tree. And now let's start painting, and it's going to be very quick, easy and fun. We will first take a smaller brush like this to make the lines for the tree, and I'm going to show you how. So for these lines you can either use a brown color or just use the same green color, but I think I will be using a brown color. It's completely your choice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark the lines horizontally. No vertical lines, just the horizontal lines, leaving some little gap between the lines. So you do not have to be very perfect. You just need to just be careful and try and make the lines parallel to each other. That's all that we had to do. And after this dries up, I'm going to erase all the pencil lines because this is what we actually wanted to get. And I'm just going to mark this little tiny dot for the center. You can always mark this center on all the lines because I'll tell you why. Just a little tiny kind of a dot like that. Let it dry and we will move to the next step. So it's dried up now, and now I'm going to use my eraser and erase all the pencil lines. Now begins the fun part, for which we are going to mix a lot of green color because we need a lot of green color for the for the future steps. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a lot of green color that I want, so that I do not have to go and make green color again and again. I think that's good. So the technique that I want to show you is very easy and simple to draw and to paint green leaves. So that is the point of the tip of the brush has to be touching the branch, this brown line, and then we are just going to press the brush on the paper and pick it up. We are not going to drag, we are not going to extend any forward. It's just that touch the brown line, press the brush at the on the paper and pick it up. Let me show you how. So I'm touching this brown line, pressing it and picking it up. That's it. That's the leaf that we have to create. And the center marks that we have made is that on this side we are going to use the direction like this, and on this side we are going to use the direction like this. So we have, you know, going the leaves like this in the different directions. So let me quickly show you few more. So just touch the, you have to leave a little gap between the leaves. So touch the brown line, then press the brush, touch the brown line, press the brush. And when you are towards the outer part, you have to use touch it and leave it like that. Let me do it at the bottom also. Touch the brush, press it, touch the brush, press it, like this. And look how beautiful it looks when you see it completed. We are going to do same thing on this side. Let me show you how. So you can always change the direction of your painting like this for more convenience and more speed. So I'm going to touch it and press it, touch it and press it, touch it and press it, touch it and press it. And I think I will be making one petal here. So here again, touch it and press, touch it and press, touch it and press, touch it and press. Look, the first line is complete, and in the similar way we are going to do all the way till the up. So for the top of the tree, as you can see in the two top lines, what I've done, I've just placed two petals on the sides and just made little tiny lines like that. And then on the top, I've created one petal and then two tiny petals on the sides. So this way we have completed our Christmas tree, and look how pretty it looks. And the stroke of this leaf is such that it gives a very dark center here on the leaves and very lighter shade on the outer side of the leaves. Look how pretty is that. And you can definitely go ahead and add little, you know, golden dots or sparkles to this tree, but I'm going to leave it like this. Instead, I'm going to add a black border on the sides of this card. So I'm using my black gel pen. This is 1 mm of width of this pen, which I really like. Like this. Perfect. Let me use this and add a little tiny star on the top of the tree. So this is the final look of the card, and it looks so beautiful, so clean, and it is very easy and quick to make. And if you enjoyed today's video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That means a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video with a new and easy Christmas card or holiday card idea. And till then, take care, bye bye, and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Take care.